Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 26 of the 30 Days Abundance Challenge. Today, we're talking about something which is quite close to my heart because honestly, I have been doing this for so long, which is subliminals. Your conscious mind can repeat affirmations, but actually, the real transformation happens in your subconscious, which actually runs 95% of your life, your thoughts, your beliefs, your actions, your reactions, and everything that's underneath. And subliminals are actually affirmations which are played at a level that your conscious mind cannot hear and your subconscious can. They allow new beliefs to be absorbed gently, naturally, and without resistance because your conscious mind can't be like saying, no, this is not true. Sometimes when we repeat affirmations in our head, like, I am abundant, I am rich, I am this, I am deserving, your conscious mind kind of resists it. But like when you play subliminals, it's actually going directly in your subconscious without resistance. So it's like nourishing the soil so the new abundance beliefs can grow easily on their own. I've also created my own subliminal channel, which is called Infinite Flow, and I make clean, intentional, high frequency subliminals for abundance. I'm going to start making some more for self worth and self love and receiving. So I've linked my subliminal channel in the description below. And the key is the subliminals work best when your body actually feels safe and it feels open and receptive. So today we're going to do EFT before we, get you the challenge of what you need to do. And we're going to soften your nervous system and open your subconscious to receive new abundance and beliefs. So let's get tapping. The karate chop point. Even though my subconscious has held old money beliefs, I now allow new abundant beliefs to sink in. Even though a part of me resisted change in the past, I am safe to receive new programming now. Even though I haven't fully trusted my subconscious before, I allow it to support me now. Now just take a deep breath in and exhale. All right, at the eyebrow point. Any resistance to changing my beliefs, I release it now. Any old programming around struggle, I let it dissolve. Any fear of stepping into a new identity, I release it. Any hidden doubt stored anywhere inside my body, I let it go. Any subconscious fear of abundance, I release it now. Any energetic block to receiving new beliefs, I clear it. My subconscious is safe to update. I am open to new beliefs about wealth. I take 100% responsibility for the beliefs I've carried. I am sorry to my mind for the pressure I've put on it. Please forgive me for holding on to old stories. Thank you for protecting me until now. I love you, my subconscious mind. You are safe to expand. I allow new beliefs to form with ease. My subconscious accepts abundance quickly. Money feels natural, safe, and familiar to me. Wealth is my new normal. My subconscious loves supporting my abundance. It is safe to receive more than ever before. I am open, receptive, and magnetic. I allow abundance to program itself into my reality now. My subconscious mind supports me. I am safe to receive abundance. Wealth is my default now. Now just take a deep breath in and exhale. That's good. Day 26 is complete. So now you got to choose one subliminal and listen to it for 7 to 21 days. You don't force it. You just are not obsess over it. Just let it play while you're doing something, like you're doing chores, you're sleeping, you're relaxing, you're cooking, whatever, like even in the shower. Because consistency is better than being intense about it. Let abundance be in the background energy of your life. And if you'd like to look at my abundance channel, which I've created, it's in the description below. I've created subliminals on money and a lot of other subliminals, which I'm going to be uploading for the next couple of weeks. And I have kept the link on the description below. Thank you so much for being here today and showing up for your wealth journey. Your energy is actually shifting every single day that you show up. And I hope that you're actually starting to feel your energy shift and you're feeling lighter. If today's session did support you, let me know in the comments. I would love to read how your experience is unfolding over the last 26 days that we've been doing this abundance journey. And remember, this is a 30-day energetic reset. Every day that you show up, you're actually tapping and you're shifting into a new version of yourself. So I'm so proud of you, and I'm hopefully like this is helping you a lot. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 27. Thank you so much for watching.